Alright, so I'm prepared to clean out the carburetor if I have to, but we're going to use some starting fluid and some fresh gas to just give it a try, see if it's good. That should be enough to just get it started, see if it works. And if it does, I'll put more in, because otherwise we'll be draining it out. Oh, it's leaking. Why is it leaking? Oh boy. Okay, I gotta put this outside now because it's gonna stink up the garage. Oh boy. Alright, so that bolt inside there is usually a 10 millimeter. Let me see, what's this say? 8 millimeter. Alright, so now I can let that dangle out of the way. Now I can try to figure out where it's leaking from. Now a little trick, if you need more leverage and you have these, you can use a 1/4 inch bit. Alright, so here we go, 1/4 inch bit. That is really tight in there. Wow, it's killing my wrist. Oh, that's a spring, gotta be careful there. Oh boy. Alright, so now it's leaking out the rest of the way. Alright, so we're just gonna have to order a new carburetor for this guy. I need to figure out what the model is. It's probably the same carburetor as my other model. Alright, so we're picking up where we left off. I got a replacement carburetor. This is an entire kit. Comes with a replacement air filter, which I'm not going to use because it's not compatible with this assembly. Alright, so we got a new fuel tube, which I probably won't use. Do have a shutoff valve, which I might install. Fuel filters, a new spark plug, and gaskets. So that's everything that's in this kit. Okay, so we need these O-ring gaskets. Let's see here. Oops. Alright, so I'm not going to use the fuel filter right now. Not going to use this or the shutoff valve right now. Although the shutoff valve would be nice. Okay, so this is the new carburetor. Double check that it looks similar. It does. Okay, holes aligned. So yeah, this looks like it's the right carburetor. There's a little bit of fuel in there. So I will install this shutoff valve. Let's see where it's off. Can you see through this? Can't see through it. Okay. So okay, so now we got the shutoff valve on there. That should be good. Now we can twist this guy. Uh-oh. Okay, I got him off. Okay, so that guy goes on that one. That's good to know. So this guy goes on this one here. Come on. Are you serious? Hey, do I have to drill this out? No. No, I do not. Okay, now I need the O-ring in there. So we can use this O-ring or we can use a new one. So all new gaskets. Yep, got our new gaskets. So we'll put this O-ring in here. Okay, there's our new O-ring. Now we need this guy in here. Oh, come on. Okay. All right, so now this guy goes on here. I don't know what the torque spec is, but I got it pretty tight. Okay, so let's just see what happens here. Okay. Now he's on. Let's see here. So. Okay, get our gasket set. Here we go. Okay, then we need this tube hooked up in here. Ow. Okay, then we put our air filter on.